Hey guys, Mike with Gettin Greasy Garage. So, I got the 429 all together. Only thing I'm waiting for is AC compressor. We did decide to go with air conditioning on the car. As you can see, I got one of the belts on already. Got hoses for it. And I got our starter in. That is a 95 Ford F250, 350, 460 gear reduction starter. Bolts right up, and starter pinion matches the flex plate. I've got our C6 looking sharp. And I'm all about little details. If you look, you can see a red stripe in here. That's the engine plate. Got the nice billet firewall mount transmission dipstick. Soon we'll have a firewall sitting next to it to mount it to. But yeah, that red on that engine plate really pops. I gotta make a little cover down there at the torque converter nut access. Yeah, when Ford thought that it's a great idea to use studs on their torque converter, so everything has to line up instead of being like a GM and you just slap her together and spin things and line them up. I don't know, made it for a pain in the butt, but it's all together. Looking sharp, I'm happy with it. Got the fast, easy EFI throttle body sitting on it. Our 56 to 58 Cadillac air cleaner. Sanderson shorty headers. So, yeah, coming around. Progress is being made. The car is right now at a remote location in preparation to come here to the shop. Having to do some rearranging. We're getting some concrete put in our other stalls of the shop, so I will have more workspace and actually have a workspace of my own without sharing it with my pops, which I don't mind, but he wants his own space, so whatever, it's his shop. You know, I'm one of the fortunate few that gets to share a shop with my pops, and you know, I'm grateful for the space, because I'm not perfect here. Let's see. Because, you know, working out in the dirt really does suck. But, you know, I'm on a nice sunny day, I like setting a table outside and doing things outside too. So, anyway, guys, that's really all I got today. Just finishing up what I can do for now on this, and prepping some other parts and pieces, and shop cleanup. So, I tend to drag out a lot of tools and just not get the time to put them back. And then I'm putting together my service cart with all my electrical stuff on it. I got another cart that I'm going to put together. Boxes for the Fairlane. So, yeah. Anyway. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching, and if you would, please hit that like, share, subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications. It really helps out the channel and does not cost you a thing. And we will see you in the next one. You know, sitting in your chair isn't going to get your project built.